What if you could take an idea out of your head, create a digital product or a printable, upload it online, and then create passive income? What would an extra couple $100 to a couple $1,000s a month do for you and your family? This is what we did, and it is such a great way to add a few extra dollars into your pocket every month. But a lot of times people are like, okay, Becky, this sounds great, but how do I start? I've never made a printable before. And that's why I made a beginner's class using a very simple platform online, Canva. I walk you through the steps of how to actually create a printable online so that you get familiar with what the parts and the pieces are to a successful printable, and we will walk through the process together step by step. I will show you how to actually create your first printable. Oh, it'll be simple, but it's like that by design so that you can learn the fundamental skills that you need and then take those and infuse your knowledge, your expertise, and create printables and digital products that people that need your help will love. So I'm going to encourage you to click on the link and learn more. Come participate with the Make and Sell Printables class, and let's get you launched so that you too can experience what it's like to be outside and walking and to be creating income from something that you've already uploaded online. It's a beautiful thing.